In this video I compare the GoPro Hero 10 and the Insta360 ONE X2. I show you the difference between the two cameras, where the advantages are and which camera is the best choice for you. Without talking much, we start with the first comparison, the video quality. Both cameras were set to the highest resolution and the test shot was taken on a tripod. Maybe you are now asking yourself how a comparison can be made, because we are talking about two different types of cameras. One's a standard action camera, on the other a 360 cam. The Insta360 ONE X2 records the entire environment, but for this comparison only a defined area is selected. This is the big advantage of the GoPro Hero 10 in terms of image quality. While the Insta360 ONE X2 films the entire 360-degree environment with 5.7K and only a small section is used, the resolution is reduced. This is also called reframing. For example, if only a third is shown, the 5.7K resolution is reduced by 1/3 and is then only approximately 2K, which corresponds to a full HD resolution. The GoPro Hero 10 uses the entire resolution for the displayed area. The GoPro Hero 10 wins here, although I think the Insta360 ONE X2 also does a good job. Let's move on to the next comparison, the field of view. The GoPro 10 allows the following different field of view settings: narrow, linear and wide. The wide setting is the most popular because it allows the largest field of view. The Insta360 ONE X2, on the other hand, has a practically unlimited field of view. Because a 360-degree video is recorded, you can create an ultra wide angle shot. By reframing the 360 video, you can select the field of view yourself in post-production. A lens correction in post-processing is also easy to apply. The widest field of view on the GoPro is limited to the wide setting. With the Insta360 ONE X2, you have unlimited possibilities. This flexibility gives you a lot of creative freedom, which the GoPro Hero 10 does not offer. The next comparison is about the video stabilization. The GoPro Hero 10 uses Hypersmooth in generation 4. The stabilization results are very good and make a gimbal almost unnecessary. However, the Insta360 ONE X2 can beat this and delivers even smoother recordings. The reason for this is the 360 video technology. Because the entire 360 environment is filmed, no cropping is necessary. So you get super smooth videos like on a camera slider. Here the Insta360 ONE X2 exceeds the GoPro Hero 10. The next comparison deals with selfie shots. Action cameras are often used to film yourself. For this purpose, a selfie stick can be used, on which the action camera is mounted. Here is a simple selfie shot recorded with the GoPro Hero 10, mounted on a selfie stick. Clearly visible in the picture is the selfie stick, which is unfortunately a little disturbing. The Insta360 ONE X2 has a clear advantage here. The so-called invisible selfie stick function removes the selfie stick from the picture. The result is a clean video without the disturbing telescope stick in the picture. It looks like the camera is floating in front of you, like a drone. Your viewers will surely be amazed and surprised how this works. Now we come to the time-lapse function. Both cameras offer a time-lapse mode. Simply set up the camera and press record. The time-lapse videos are then created automatically. With the Insta360 ONE X2, you have the option to create a motion time-lapse by reframing the video and adding a movement. This way you can make your time lapses more dynamic. The GoPro Hero 10 on the other hand only allows a static time lapse. Both cameras have numerous other functions, which I will not go into detail now. It can be said that both cameras have a very high range of functions. For example, you can create hyperlapses, slow motion recordings and much more with both cameras. Details can be found on the manufacturer websites or other YouTube videos. At the end, I would like to mention the 2 points: creative scope and post-processing. The creative scope of both cameras is very high, since both cameras are very compact and can easily be placed or mounted anywhere. However, the Insta360 ONE X2 clearly stands out from the GoPro Hero 10. The reason for this is the 360 video technology. A 360 camera allows you a completely new world of creativity. The combination of the flow state stabilization, the possibility of reframing and the invisible selfie stick make the Insta360 ONE X2 a beast. The opportunities are almost endless. Check out my Gimbal Guru YouTube channel to get an idea what is possible with the 360 video technology. The biggest advantage of the Insta360 ONE X2 is also its biggest disadvantage. 360 videos need to be reframed to unlock their true potential. That means you have to invest time in post-processing. If you think you're going to get a ready out of the cam video, you're wrong. Although there are a number of tools such as AI functions in the Insta360 app, you still have to deal with it and invest time. In summary, the following can be said. All users who are looking for a standard action camera and want to create ready out of the cam recordings without investing a lot in post-processing should choose the GoPro Hero 10. Anyone who wants to explore the potential of the 360 video technology and enjoys experimenting in post-production should choose the Insta360 ONE X2. I myself deal intensively with 360 cameras on my channel and I'm always excited about the potential of the Insta360 ONE X2. I can only recommend you to try it out yourself and get creative. In the video description you will find offers of both cameras. If you purchase the Insta360 ONE X2 through my link, you will receive additionally 2 free gifts. Be surprised and check out the Gimbal Guru Insta360 ONE X2 special deal now. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss any video about 360 cameras, 360 videos and much more.